How's it going, everyone? I came out here about 5 minutes ago and I was ready to film another 9.3 quick fix video with my 0393 here, and when I went to start it up I heard a really bad noise and I realized quickly what it was. But at first glance, whenever something might be wrong with your car, you kind of think worst case, at least I do. I actually took this thing on a cruise last night, being the night before I am filming this. Pushed the car pretty hard. It was absolutely great for the whole ride though. So I thought maybe I ended up breaking something on the cruise and now the car is just showing symptoms of it. But I'll go ahead and start it up for here for a minute and show you guys the noise. First thought, obviously, is to check under the engine bay because I'm thinking maybe my timing chain guides are going or something weird is making these noises. When you come under here, obviously, nothing wrong. It sounds great. Shortly after that, I realized, well, actually, I've had this problem before, both on this car and my Turbo X. So my Turbo X is was an East Coast car. This car is also an East Coast car. Neither of them really had bad rust or anything. But I think just over the years, these exhaust heat shields under here just fail. These cars have a few different heat shields on them to help kind of keep heat out of the cabin, I guess. This big one under here, which is right by where that huge resonator is at, that one fell out a couple of years ago, and now my back one has finally fallen. I am here to tell you guys that I have had these off both my 9.3s for a long time. Never had any issues. So if yours are rattling, do not feel like you need to replace them. In my opinion, it is worthless. But you can see here, there's all these little nuts that hold the car on, these little, I think they're 8mm, and the threads on here are also completely destroyed. So over time on these, they just kind of begin to rust away and to the point where the hole is, it rusts away to a point where these just fall down and these are no longer doing their job. You can see that's the case for literally every single one here. That one's gone, that one's gone, this one's gone too. And then when it falls down, it literally lays right on the exhaust here, and that's why it makes that horrible noise. I can give you guys an example of one that isn't destroyed yet. So this is my muffler right here. If you guys are wondering what my exhaust setup is, click the video in the top corner. It's a full 3-inch custom exhaust. But you can see here, they're actually all still in place. I don't know if this is because this one's just tucked up in a really weird spot, as you can probably tell. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's go ahead, pull this thing out. There's a part number on there. For some reason, you really wanna replace it. But again, I think it's pointless. Okay, this isn't hot. I had it running for a few seconds, just wanted to make sure. I take that back. This actually looks like it is all one piece. With this exhaust portion that's up here, there is actually a piece that runs through. So my guess is these are 8 or 10mm. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the impact and we're just gonna buzz these off. See if they actually come off or if they're just gonna snap. That one actually came off. Kind of surprised. I recommend not sitting directly under the heat shield because you're gonna have a bunch of crud come out, most likely. Wow, 2 for 2. I am impressed. Here's a better look at these. They're not even like really nuts. They're like a cross between a nut and a wash. You can tell it's just very cheap. No real point in saving something like this, I don't think. They're all kind of destroyed anyways. The thing about it is it's like, to me it's like just looks like thick tin foil, so you can bend it really easily. So again, I just don't really see a use for these. And that's someone like me who lives in a hotter climate anyways, but just looking at these, every single one has been just ruined over time, whether it was corrosion or something. But yeah, I'm gonna go throw this out. Just wanted to give you guys a little, I don't know, how to tear stuff off your car that doesn't really need to be there. It's also weight reduction, you know. I probably lost about half a pound in weight here, but let's start it up, make sure she sounds good. Yeah, that's a lot better. Exactly how it should sound. That's it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like I said, please give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know down below in the comments some types of videos you want to see on this car and my cars in the near future. And I'll see y'all next time.